5 Best Vacuum Cleaners. Here is the product number 5. PUPPYOO Cordless Handheld Home Vacuum Cleaner. PUPPYOO Cordless Handheld Home Vacuum Cleaner Wireless Aspirator for Home Lithium Charging WP536. Brand name PUPPYOO. Product type Handheld Vacuums. Remote control No. Voltage, V, 100 to 240 volts. Cord length, M, wireless. Installation handspike/handheld. Function dry. Here is the product number 4. PUPPYOO Low Noise Portable Household Vacuum Cleaner. PUPPYOO Low Noise Portable Household Vacuum Cleaner Handheld Dust Collector and Aspirator WP526C. Special Suction Nozzle Flat Suction Nozzle. Installation handheld. Remote control No. Cord length, M, 4.5 meters. Dust storage type dust box, dust bucket. Function dry. Cleaning route random type. Here is the product number 3. PUPPYOO Home Canister Vacuum Cleaner. PUPPYOO Home Canister Vacuum Cleaner Large Suction Capacity Powerful Aspirator Multifunctional Cleaning Appliances WP9005B. Brand name PUPPYOO. Product type Canister Vacuums. Installation Canister. Dust storage type Cyclone Dust Bucket, Dust Box. Color yellow and black. Type Canister Vacuum Cleaner. Function Multi-System Cyclone. Here is the product number 2. PUPPYOO Low Noise Mini Home Rod Vacuum Cleaner. PUPPYOO Low Noise Mini Home Rod Vacuum Cleaner Portable Dust Collector Home Aspirator Handheld Vacuum Catcher WP3006. Voltage, V, 220 to 240 volts. Product type Handheld Vacuums. Cleaning route random type. Dust storage type Cyclone Dust Bucket, Dust Box. Power, W, 800 watts. Function dry. Here is the product number 1. TINTON Life Ultra Quiet Mini Home Rod Vacuum Cleaner. TINTON Life Ultra Quiet Mini Home Rod Vacuum Cleaner Portable Dust Collector Home Aspirator Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. Brand name TINTON Life. Remote control No. Special Suction Nozzle Flat Suction Nozzle. LCD No. Installation handheld. Dust storage type dust box, dust bucket. Power, W, 600 watts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.